visual contact.
I see a hit on the target.
Equipment is battle ready. Target hit.
Perfect time to speed up. Enemy target eliminated.
Both engines, half speed ahead. Captain, the target has been captured. Missile launch that target. Hard a port.
Attention, enemy ship spotted.
Captain, the target has been captured. Torpedoes in the enemy ship. That's a hit. The enemy has been destroyed. Enemy missile attack. Torpedo tubes ready.
Keeping watch.
Missile launch that target. Target hit. Target destroyed. Missiles ready for launch. Waiting for target designation. Hard a port. Establish visual contact. That's a hit. Hard a starboard.
Establishing visual contact.
Captain, the target has been captured.
I see a hit on the target.
Enemy elimination confirmed.
Keeping watch.
Captain, the target has been captured. That's a hit. The target destroyed. Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Our ship is under enemy attack. Engine full speed ahead. Prepare to fire. Rocket launch from ship detected.
Enemy torpedo launch spotted. Target hit.
We are under attack. Damage reported.
Armor integrity broken. Capturing enemy point. Half ahead. Helicopter, take off. Base, I'm off the ground. about a drill. Establish visual contact. Missiles launched.
Keeping watch. I see a hit on the target.
Establish visual contact. Captain, the target has been captured. Missiles launched. Engines full speed. Fire at will. Do not wait for command. The target is within range.
Establishing visual contact.
Torpedo tube fired. That's a hit. 25 knots ahead. Missile launched at target.
Enemy target eliminated. Keeping watch.
Captain, the target has been captured. Both engines, half speed ahead.
Prepare to fire.
Torpedo to enemy ship.
Establishing visual contact.
Requesting air support. 357 took off. Equipment is battle ready. Enemy elimination confirmed. Half ahead.
I see a hit on the target.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missile launched at target.
Hit confirmed.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command.
Enemy ship on the radar.
Combat Unit 2, ready to launch the missiles.